This 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 240RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, microwave, DVD player, awning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 240RL is 7,691 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.